Good day, students. Remember in our last class I introduced you to number bases and we looked at place value for the number bases. Today in this class we shall be looking at how to convert from one number base to another. Remember in the last class I told you that most mathematical solutions are done in base 10. So we shall be looking at essentially how to convert from other number bases to base 10 and also from base 10 to other number bases. So we're starting at converting from other bases to base 10. Example 1. Convert 3 to 1 base 4 to base 10. Alright, this is the question given to us. Focus on the board, please. They said convert 3 to 1 in base 4 to base 10. Our solution. Remember in our last class we talked about how to expand the number bases. So we are going to expand this. That's essentially how to convert from other number bases to base 10. So let's expand this 3 to 1 in base 4. 3 to 1 in base 4 will be equal to this 3 multiplied by the number base is what? 4. Just follow me. Plus this 2 multiplied by the number base is what? 4. Plus the last number is what? 1 multiplied by the number base is what? 4. Recall that I told you that you put your index, the powers from behind to the front. So this 1, the 4 will take power 0, power 1, power 2. So I introduce the powers here. 0, 1, and 2. So this is the same as writing 3 times 4 raised to the power of 2 means 4 times 4. And 4 times 4 is what? 16. Plus 4 raised to the power 1 is what? 4. Plus 4 raised to the power 0 is what? Any number to the power of 0 is 1. So let's multiply out. It's allowed to use your calculator. Me, I'm not having any calculator, but it's always good as a student to have your calculator around you. 3 times 16 is 48 plus 2 times 4, 8 plus 1 times 1, 1. 48 plus 8 is 56 plus 1, 57. So we've succeeded in converting 321 in base 4 to 57, and this 57 is in base 10. This is our solution. Now remember that I told you that you can write this as 57 without writing the base 10. When there is no base written under it, it is base 10. Or if you write it like this, you are still correct. So we've converted 321 in base 4 to 57 in base 10. I hope that is understood. Pause it. Pull 2. Start. Convert 11011 base 2 to base 10. Our solution. Focus on the board, don't focus on me. Now this is the number given to us. 11011 base 2. We are going to expand this number because we are converting to base 10. So I'll pick this first one. 1 times 2 plus this next one. 1 times 2. You can see how I'm putting them in brackets. Plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Now we'll now introduce our powers. Remember, we introduced the powers from behind to the front, from the end to the first. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I introduce 0, I introduce 1, I introduce 2, I introduce 3, I introduce 4. So what will that give me? This will be 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. And that will give me 8. Plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. Plus 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. Plus 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 16 is what? 16. 1 times 8 is what? 8. 0 times 4 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. So let's add up all these. And this will give me what? 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 26 plus 1 is 27. So we've succeeded in converting 11011 base 2 to 27 in base 10. That is how to convert a number from base 2 to base 10. We expand by the number base, which is 2. We are going to take one last example, and before we now see how to convert from a number base to another number base, which is not base 10. Pause. Example 3. Convert 4, 3, 7 in base 8. To base 10. Now we've gone to base 8. Our solution, just like we've done in the other one. Now, for students writing WAEC, remember that if you're writing your WAEC, you show your workings, because for every line that you're showing your working, your invigilator, the person marking your script, will be giving you marks for each line. So follow me how I'm showing my workings. Now I write out my number 437 in base 8. Now let's expand this. I take the first number 4 multiplied by what's the number base? The number base is what? 8. Plus the next number is 3 multiplied by the number base is what? 8. Plus the next number is what? 7 multiplied by the number base 8. Now you introduce your powers from behind. So this last number will take power 0. The next 8 will take power 1. The next number base 8 will take power 2. So this will give me 4 times 8 raised to the power of 2 means 8 times 8. And 8 times 8 is 64. Plus 8 raised to the power 1 is what? 8. Plus 8 raised to the power 0. Any number to power of 0 is 1. So this will give me 4 times 64. I told you it's allowed for you to have your calculator. I'm not having calculator, so I have to do it manually. 4 times 4 is 16. 6 carry 1. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1, 25. Plus 3 times 8 is 24. Plus 7 times 1 is 7. So this will give me 256 plus 24 is giving me 280. 280 plus 7 is 287. This is in base 10. So we've converted 437 in base 8 to 287 in base 10. That is the solution. So with this, I'm sure you've understood how to convert from one number base to base 10. In our next lesson, we are going to see how to convert from one number base to another number base. Thank you very much. Stop the video.